Howdy folks, Gerry Ginger on his morning walk. Look at that sun shining off of the water. Woo. Even with the clouds, it's a pretty day. Say hi to Bucky. Hi Bucky. Bucky. Yeah, Bucky. We need to do some work. He keeps falling over. The high winds took him off his base. Oh. Past the fallen tree. Ooh, it's a big one. Onward. We have a stick in view. We're gonna have to find out if there's a thing that keeps the screen on for me all the time. It turns off. Oh, there's my sled. My sled's out there in the pond. It blew out, floated out. Another stick. Robins. Where's Batman, Robin? What have you done with Batman? What have you done with him? Onward we go. Robins. What'd you find, Pom Pom? Well, there's something she didn't want me to see. I hear the water still running out of the pond. Hey, come on. Let's not go clear over there. Oh, it's Good Friday, that's right.